Okay, so I've never done a balloon garland before, but I'm trying it out for the first time. I just bought one of the kits off Amazon, and it comes with all the balloons, and then this is the garland structure, and it's just like a clear piece of tape with these holes in it, and the balloons are gonna go through the holes. So what you're gonna do is stick the ends through the holes. There's like a bigger hole. I'll show you in a second. And then you slide it to the smaller hole so that it stays in place. I don't know if you can see that. So we're not gonna skip holes right now until we see if we need to. I'm gonna alternate colors. And I have these, this one came with these fun confetti ones too, so I will do those as well. And that's all you do for this first step. We used a compressor to fill up the balloons, which was so much faster. It took about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to fill all the balloons. We did mostly big ones and then set a few aside to do smaller sizes. Okay, starts to look like kind of a bunch, even though this is a line. So I am not skipping holes. And you want to make your balloons, when you blow them up, you want to make them so that they are not quite a pear shape. You know, when you start to blow one up and this part starts to get like kind of rounded. So you don't want that. You want them to be a little bit squishy. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of my big ones, and then I will show you where I'm at. Okay, my biggest tip for doing this was super easy. I can't believe I've never done this before. I was really intimidated before, but it was really simple. Biggest tip, vacuum before you blow up your balloons. The static will pick up all the hair and dust on your floor, so especially if you have pets or anything like that, make sure you have a really clean floor before you scatter all the balloons there, or your garland is gonna be full of hair and grossness. Make sure that when you're going along, you're paying attention to your colors. You don't want to get to the end and realize you have all dark blue or all white left over. You're only doing the big balloons on the string with the holes in it. And then the little balloons, you can see mine are up there. Those are going to go on with, if your kit came with sticky dots, you're going to use the sticky dots. Or you can tie 2 at a time to a string, and you just loop the string over and through the center garland, which is pretty easy. But if yours came with the dots, that's even easier. So I'm going to work on hanging mine. My kit did not come with hooks. Some of them do. So I gotta figure out how to hang mine. And then once I have that in place, I'm going to use the sticky dots to put all the small ones on. Okay, so this is my finished balloon arch, and I want to mention too that the kit that I got on Amazon, this is only half the balloons, so you can make a much larger one. I just lost the other pack. I brought it out before and we blew up a few, and now I don't know where I put it. So this is half the balloons of one of those kits, and I still think it looks amazing. So you could buy a kit and use it for 2 different events for sure. The plastic ribbon part that you put all the big balloons in is definitely reusable, so that's awesome. Sticky dots worked amazingly, way better than tape when I've tried to tape balloons like to the wall or something. So I was really happy with those. You just want to make sure that all of the ties are pointed in so you can't see any of them. And you just play with the colors. I think it turned out really well. This is our baby's first birthday, and we're just really excited to celebrate with everybody. Yeah, hope you liked my balloon garland.